start with, all I'm doing is blending Brother into the crease, and I'm just packing this right in just so I can achieve the maximum pigment that I want, and then I'm just going to blend it all out. Then next I'm just dipping into the colour Cola, and I'm just putting this in the outer corner. Bear in mind it does look a little bit messy now, however I will end up fixing this up. And right now I'm just taking a clean brush just to kind of try and blend the edges out a little more. So I'm just taking Playground and blending this over the top of Brother, just so I can get a nice gradient effect. And then now I'm just going to quickly cut my crease. And then just taking a flat kind of brush, I am just going to dip into the colour Hello, and I'm going to put this on my lid. And I'm just packing that on. The next one I'm doing is dipping into the shade Flashback. And I'm just taking this on a fluffy blending brush, and I'm just going to blend that right where I done Playground. And I'm basically just trying to soften up around the edge of my eyes. So I just jumped off camera and I've done the rest of my makeup and kind of cleaned the edges of my eyes, and then now I'm just going to go in on my lower lash line. On my lower lash line I'm just taking that shade Playground again. And then next I've decided I'm just going to pair it with a blue lip. So I'm using the NYX Suede, I believe they're called, and it's just in the bright blue shade. I'll try and leave it listed down below. I have had this for a while though, but I'm pretty sure you can still get it. The only nightmare about these liquid lip things is that they go everywhere. They are so hard to put on. this is the final look. Obviously you can 100% do this with a different lip, compare it with a nude, obviously for it to be less bold, but yeah. So don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel and turn that notification bell on so you don't miss any future uploads. Thanks so much for watching, bye!